show you total 2 colleges notification for the post of professor, associate professor, assistant professor, as well as non-teaching staff. Okay, so let's start with that first college. Here you can see Indira Gandhi Delhi Technical University for Women. Okay, so advertisement for visiting faculty. So the Indira Gandhi Delhi Technical University Women is a state university. Okay, so here are the program that PhD, MTech, BTech, MCA. The university invites application for visiting faculty in the following departments. Here are the department having vacancy. Total 5 departments having vacancy, that is IT, Computer Science, Artificial Intelligence, Data Science, Electronics and Communication Engineering, Applied Science and Humanities, Management, Architecture and Planning. The last date for submitting the application form is 31st July 2021. Okay, let's go to their official website. So this is the official website of that college. So here you can see that the advertisement on visiting faculty in various department. For guideline and apply, here you can click and download that file. Okay, so now coming to this section. So here you can see that department along with their link for submitting application form, guideline and eligible condition. Okay, I am just click once that department, that Artificial Intelligence department or IT. So here you can see that application invited for employment of guest visiting faculty for Department of IT, CSE, AI, okay, such as cyber security, mobile application, Python, etc. So here the educational qualification BE, BTech or BS, ME, MTech, MS, integrated MTech in relevant branch with first class or equivalent in any one of the degree, desirable PhD in relevant discipline or published research paper, and general high reputed teaching and minimum degree level institution. Okay, reimbursement will be as per university norm. So this is basically for that IT, CSE and AI department. So for all rest department, just download this, and if you want to apply, just apply now, and you have to remember the last date is 31st July 2021. Okay, now coming to that last college notification, that CV Raman Global University. Here you can see that online recruitment portal. So here for the recruitment for teaching and non-teaching staff of CV Raman Polytechnic. Okay, so this is the official notification. Here you can see candidate advised to apply online within 15 days from the date of publication of the advertisement. Okay, here are the vacancy in the Department of Electrical, Mechanical, Mechatronics, Chemistry, English and Mathematics, and for the lab assistant, Computer Science, Civil, Electrical, Mechanical, Mechatronics, Physics and Chemistry. So this is the official website. Here you can see that the positions and having their vacancy: Civil, Electrical, Assistant Professor, Chemistry, English, Mathematics and Laboratory Assistant, Programming, Computer Science, Assistant Electrical, Mechanical, Laboratory Assistant, Mechatronics, Physics, Chemistry. And here you just click on this. Here you can see their qualification. If I just click on the Civil department, so here you can see that job descriptions as well as their eligibility. So eligibility: diploma in relevant subject from Indian University, and BTech in a relevant subject from a Indian University or an equivalent degree from a foreign university or regular mode will be advantage. Okay, so here if you want to apply mechanical department, just click on it, apply, and you have to apply. So just you have to remember that you have only 15 days. Okay, just go to their official website and apply as soon as possible. You have to remember this published notification is 23rd July 2021. Okay, add with 15 days. So last date is plus 14 days. Okay, sorry, 15 days. So if you require more notification like that, just like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.